And welcome back to the second part. So what I'm going to do now is let me go to design. I like to change the background of this form itself, so let's right click and select form properties. Okay, let's see, there's no background here. Let's come in here and just select details or detail, form detail right here. Okay, look at it, background. Okay, back color, background. So I'm going to change it to something a little bit darker. That's fine. Okay, so if I run, that is how it looks like for now. And I also need to just finish up with the design of this interface. It looks a bit rough, but then in here I'm going to need a text box or a text field. Right, we can always add a text field, or if there's any other thing. Okay, let's just add a text field here, and here these buttons and so on needs to be looked after. And I also need one more button that I'll be using for the calculation. So let me just copy one of these, paste it back in there, undo it first, and just select and paste it back right in there. Right, that's much better. Yeah, come straight to the property, all, and change that to total price or total cost. Right, so that will become BTN total cost. BTN total cost, no space there. Okay, right inside BTN total cost, let's go to the events and drop this down, select event procedure and click on that very button right here. First thing first, let's declare option explicit, and then declare the following variables. That's tax rate, so I'm going to copy that very tax rate, paste it inside the button here. That is its total cost. Let's move that up so that you guys can see it. Alright, tax rate equals 0.45 there. Save that. Okay, one important thing I need to do is to make sure I know the names of each component so that I can then assign them to all of this. Okay, so let's start by going straight into the design. Okay, before I can proceed, guys, there's something I need to take care of. Let's come in here. I need a checkbox right there. I'm going to need a couple of those. I'm going to paste one here, place one right there, and select that. Let's delete the content of that. Yeah, just move this here a little bit. Right, let's copy that and paste it in there as well. That will be for the next one. That is to decide if I select any of those accessories. I need 5 of them. There's one more to go. Scroll down a little bit, just one more. Paste right there. So if I run it, this is how the whole system will look like. Okay, so I can either select this or this. So either one I select, I'll like the price displayed here. So first thing, let's add some code to make that happen. So come to design. Now each of these, they do need a name. Let's give them all a name first. CHK modified. That's going to be stereo. CHK stereo. Okay, the next thing is to disable all of these on form load. So select the form and let's come right here. Let's go to code view. Right in there, let's select the form. There we go, form load. Bring that up. And there we go, guys. Inside form load, that's going to become CHK modified dot, let's say value equals false. Right. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other four. CHK stereo, the value equals false. I'm going to have CHK GPS, CHK customize there, and there's CHK later there. So what will happen is all of those components will be disabled when I run the system. You can see all of them are checked now. I think that is the default. So let's run it and see. Look at that, guys. They are all disabled now, except if I check it. So let's go back into design view. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to be able to address this. So anytime I check this, I want it to display some value in there. So let's go for the property and make sure, no, this one, make sure it is selected event, and in there event procedure, click, and that's it, CHK. Okay, if let's copy this, if CHK modified dot value equals true, then modify equals, let's go for about maybe 4,000 plus, else modify equals, this equals 0. Okay, now let's try that out. And if, let's try this out first, run it, check, yeah, uncheck, there, check and uncheck, that is fine. So I'm going to repeat exactly the same thing for the rest. Checkbox. So the next one is stereo. Let's go straight inside the code view, come right here and look for the next one. That will be CHK, maybe stereo. So I'm just going to copy, no, not that. I can copy this, paste that in there, and change it all to stereo. Stereo, and stereo here as well. And the price of stereo, let's say, is about £300 for a very good one, or 200. That's fine. The stereo is taken care of. Let's look at leather interior. That would be a little bit expensive. Change all of these to leather interior. Right. And the letter, let's go for maybe 7,600 plus. We need 2 more. Let's see, 2 more. Okay, we have GPS. Okay, let's take care of the GPS. So that's going to become GPS. And this is, I think name is totally different on the GPS. Let's check out the name. Right there, that's the name. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to copy that. I'm back on the code. Right here. Paste. And this is going to be an underscore in there. Alright. Okay, the price of a GPS maybe 250 or 240 or 230. Right, that's the price of a GPS. So I think we need one more. Yeah, I think we need one more. That would be the mod, no, not the modifiers taken care of. Customize, I think. Is it customize? Yeah, customize. So copy that, paste that in there, and just change it all to customize. Right. So customize might be a little bit expensive, so let's go for 5,000 plus. Alright, that is it. Save it. Let's try it out and see how it is. Let's move this here. Yeah. Okay. Something wrong there. Right, we need to check out the name of that. Okay, it's called stereo system. This will be customized details interior. Alright. Okay then. Let's go to design view. And go straight into the codes. Right. This is called stereo system. Let's see. Alright, look at it. Stereos underscore system. So I was wrong. That's one. And the next one, modify, I think that is fine. Let's see. Modify is fine, I believe. Yeah, that's fine. Stereo interior. Okay, look at that. Interior. Let's look for interior. Leather interior. Come on, where is it? Click on that. Right, so that becomes underscore interior. Right, I guess that's what I wrote in there. Okay, so now you guys get the whole idea. You must enter the correct name or else you will wind up with the same problem. So let me speed that up anyway. Okay, I've corrected all of the text box. But one other thing, maybe I should just copy all of this. Let's copy it and right inside form load, I would like it to be 0 anytime the system starts, or anytime you run the system, it should be 0. Okay, modify is 0 as well. Let's see what is. 0 0. Let's come here. The next one is the GPS. Right. Copy that. Okay, that is fine. I'm going to save that. And let's go back into my design. Save. Alright, that's much like it. Yeah. That is fine. You see that, guys? And if you uncheck, there we go. Now, there's one more thing we need to do. If I select Bugatti or select anything here, I want the price displayed here. Okay, if I select any of these, I want some values in here as well. So let's take care of that using if statement. So this very one, you need the name of this. I think it's going to be a funny name as well. I'm going to copy that name. Alright, so that's going to be car or cars. Let's come right into code view. Let's go to cars. Let's see. There we go. Before the event is before update. Okay, I don't know. Let's see first. If cars dot, is it text or value? Let's see. Is it text equals? Let's go for maybe Lamborghini. Then we have cars underscore of, okay, underscore, another underscore here, and another one. So the value equals, let's say 900. Start that again. 9, 8 something, almost a million. Here, almost. That's fine. Let's say, and if, and see. Okay, let me just try that out. Let's try that out and see. Let's change this. Okay, that's fine. That is fine. Okay, but there's no default value. Okay, that's fine. Now the next one, we can always take care of that. Go back in there. If, alright. The next one, let's use else if. I'm gonna copy all of that. Else if, what is the name of the car? Okay, I can remember. Benz, Mercedes Benz. Let's say Mercedes. I think that's the spelling, so I'm just going to make that up. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Else if we have a Porsche, so let's say that is about, yeah, something like that. Now let's go for rows. rows. Which one? I think that's a little bit expensive too, but I don't know the price. You guys can always validate the price. Okay, I need, yeah, I also have Austin Martin. Austin Martin. No. Okay. Aston Martin, that might be a little bit expensive, I don't know. Okay, something like that. If I'm wrong, you guys can always get it sorted yourself. Alright, I think I need one more. Bocate. Something like that. I think the spelling might be right. Let's see. Should be here somewhere. No, it's not there. Let's go back in there. I think that's the right spelling. Okay, let's run it first and see. Go back in there, save first, and just run. Let's try with Bugatti. Yeah, I think the spelling is right. Austin Martin. Rose. Is that the price for Rose? Okay, guys. See how it all works. Let's see Rose again. Alright, that's the price for Rolls Royce. That's fine. Let's see what happened here. Austin Martin. Rose. Okay, let's check how what's going on there. There's it. Code. Where's the Rose? That's the Rose. Okay, I'll just check out the spelling of the cars, and that should take care of that. Right, I've just noticed the spelling of Rose is wrong, so let's come in here. I think I may have entered an S. Yep, that's it. Alright, that should take care of that. Save and try it out again. Aston Martin, Rolls Royce. Yeah. Try this again. Okay, that's fine now. It's alright now. Alright, the next one we want to take care of is this very one. So if we select any of these, I want it to give us a value just like we have in here. So let's come back to design and select, what's the name? It's called trade. Come right up here, let's select trade. There we go, and bring it right up. Okay, and one other thing is, I think maybe we should clear, yeah, when you run the system that should be 0. So on form load, let's do that. That's no big deal. Form load right there, make the value 0 there, and the value of trade as well will be 0 when form load equals 0. Alright, so now come in here. If I think it's called, yeah, it's just trade dot text equals, if that is what is selected, then I think it's called, what's the name? Okay, I think that one is going to be totally different. I think it's called car underscore mileage equals 0, right? And if I think I should have something car underscore mileage here. There we go. Okay, that's fine, right? Else if we have 1,000, then let's give that a price. That means you get very high value. You get very high value for your car. If we have 1,001 to 10,000, well, you're gonna drop some money there. Let's say you drop about 10,000, and if you have let's say 10,001 to 20,000. Okay, 10,001 to 20,000. You should drop some more value there. That's what you get for your car, the car that you are trading in. Okay, let's try this again. Let's say you have 20,001 to 40,000. Now we're talking of, you're losing serious money here. If you then have 40,001 to 100,000, you're losing. You've lost a lot. Maybe you get about 5,000 for the car you're trading in, only worth about almost 6,000. Okay, that is fine. Now let's try it out. Save, come in here, run the program, and let's say, okay, you want that and you want, alright, that's what your car is worth right there. Alright, so this should be pounds, mileage should be pounds. Okay, let's save that. We need to now go straight into the table and get that changed. Mileage will be pounds. Okay, that's good. Receipt. Okay, this is my receipt. This should have been here. Okay, that's fine. Alright, now what we need to do is go to design view right there, and right inside design view, make sure everything is saved. We go to the table. We need car mileage. We need to change the value of car mileage to, let's come in here, design. We need to change the data type. Right, okay, we need to close one of them. Close this one. Right, okay, now come to design, and let's come to car mileage right here. Yeah, this very one, change that to currency. Save. Yeah, saved. Okay. Alright, let's close this and double click on this, and right there, look at it, car mileage is now pound sign. So if I run it now, okay, it's running. Let's collapse that, select whatever car mileage, you get it in pounds. Alright, that is fine. So We now need to take care of this. Now we can take care of this since we have everything in place. Okay, let's take care of this. Right, so what I will do is I'm going to call it the end of this second part of this tutorial.